Hi, I'm Dr. Margot, and we're going to be talking about health, and we're going to be talking about energy. Where does your energy come from, and how do you keep your energy in your body? When we think of all our cells, we've got trillions of cells in our bodies, and all of these cells need energy to allow them to function properly. The question is, where does this energy come from? So many people think that the energy comes from the food that they eat. In reality, there's another step that we're often missing, and I'd like to introduce you to that step. When you eat and digest food, that food gets used by very important organs called mitochondria to make the energy that your cells need. So your cells run on a very special kind of energy that is made just for them. Just like your cell phone that needs a particular battery. And you know with your cell phone, you can't use a battery from a car. Your cell phone needs a particular cell phone battery that's made especially for that make of cell phone. And the more complicated your cell phone, the more powerful and often the more complicated the battery needs to be. And it's the same with our body cells. The mitochondria, which are the organs that make energy in our cells, are like the battery of your cells. So they produce the power for your cells. And the mitochondria use the food that you eat to make this energy, to make this power. Just like with your cell phone, if your battery dies, your cell phone dies. It's the same with your body. If your mitochondria were taken out of your body, you wouldn't be able to survive.